Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to learn what happened to Bani Israel in the field of Tih. After Pharaoh drowned into the river Nile and all the Bani Israel became Muslim, and when Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam was blessed with tranquility and peace of mind, Allah ordered him to enter the holy land Baitul Muqaddas with the Bani Israel. At that time, Baitul Muqaddas was under the domination of the people of Amalika, who were the worst of unbelievers, very sturdy warriors and very cruel. Therefore, Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam left for jihad against the people of Amalika with 600,000 people of Bani Israel. But the moment Bani Israel reached in the vicinity of Baitul Muqaddas, they became coward and started exclaiming that there are Jabbareen who are very strong and powerful. Therefore, we will not enter the city at all until these people are inside the city. The Bani Israel said to Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam even up to this extent, "O Musa, you and your Rabb should go and fight with such powerful people. We will stay here." Such comments from the Bani Israel made Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam very much grieved, and he requested to Allah, "O Lord, I have no control except over myself and my brother, so keep us separated from the disobedient people." In response to the supplication of Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam, Allah exposed his words saying, "The holy land is therefore forbidden for them for 40 years. Let them wander in the earth, so do not grieve for those disobedient people." As a result, these 600,000 Bani Israel wandered on the field for 40 years but could not get out of it. The field is called the field of Tih. Man and Salwa was also descended in the same field for the Bani Israel. And when Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam struck his staff over the stone, 12 springs of water gushed out of it. This event has been narrated in the Holy Quran with different context time, and among which in Surah Al-Ma'idah, this event has a comparatively full description, which undoubtedly is an excellent event that consists of the description of the deviation and disobedience of the Bani Israel. But despite all this, Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam remained affectionate towards the Bani Israel, that when these people exhausted due to extreme hunger and thirst in the field of Tih, Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam prayed for them, and God the Man and Salwa descended for them. Afterwards, he also made 12 springs of water emerge by striking his staff on the stone. From this event, we can have an idea of how patient, blessed and tolerant Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam was.